Announce plans you've not yet obeyed. Why do you share your deepest vision with those who have never built a thing? This speech will give you the answers you've been missing. It will show you why the more you talk, the weaker you become. It will show you why early announcements destroy your drive. It will show you why true builders, true kings, true leaders move in silence until the work is done. And if you do not listen, here is what will happen. You will keep leaking your energy into empty conversations. You will invite the opinions of small minds into your sacred vision. You will seek applause instead of execution, and your greatness will die in delay. But if you obey this speech, if you hold your purpose like sacred fire and stop spilling it into the street, everything will change. You will begin to build with rhythm. You will protect your power. You will multiply your belief. You will finish what you start, and no man will question you because your results will speak louder than any words ever could. Structure. Speech is sacred. It plants instruction in the subconscious. Every word is a builder or a destroyer. And when you speak of things not yet complete, when you boast about visions not yet forged in fire, you scatter your force like chaff in the wind. You feel proud for a moment, but empty soon after. Great men do not move with noise. They build in the dark. They speak only when the work is ready to reveal itself. Their silence is not weakness. It is command. They have nothing to prove. They do not explain. They execute. Abraham Lincoln spent his nights writing alone, unseen, hated by many, but unmoved by noise. John D. Rockefeller planned in quiet corridors. He told no one until the acquisition was sealed. Edison lit the world after years of failure, mockery, and experimentation, never seeking applause before the results. Henry Ford assembled a revolution in systems before most could even imagine it. Each of these men held their purpose in sacred silence until it spoke for itself. And now you must learn the same law. You must learn to seal your mouth when the plan is still forming. You must stop asking others what they think and start asking your own soul what must be done. Do not speak for applause. Speak only to the mind that obeys. Speak only to the aim that demands fulfillment. This speech will teach you 8 laws of purposeful silence. Why true kings speak rarely. Why the successful do not announce. Silent until my work is law. I do not explain. I execute. You are not here to be seen. You are here to become undeniable. Now let us begin. Let us protect the aim. Let us sharpen the silence. Every man who rises must begin with order, not words. He must first build the structure before he speaks of the vision. The reason most never rise is not because they lack power, but because they give it away through premature speech. They tell their plan before it is rooted. They announce their goal before it is written. They speak of castles before the first stone is set. The undisciplined man talks to feel alive. He speaks so others may validate what he himself has not yet earned. But the disciplined man speaks only to reinforce his subconscious law, and he does so in silence, in solitude, in repetition. He does not chase applause, he obeys structure. Andrew Carnegie was not born into glory, he built it in quiet, deliberate action. Before the world knew his name, he had already written his aim, he had already formed alliances, he had already moved.